Hey guys, here's my recipe for Indonesian fried rice. First off, we'll start by adding about 1 tablespoon of oil into a large pan, or you can use a wok. Allow it to heat up over a medium-high heat, then add in 1 diced onion and saute until tender. Next, we'll add in a chopped carrot and give it a stir with the onion so it can start to get tender as well. Now I'm going to add in some green beans. You can really use any kind of vegetables that you like in this fried rice, whatever you may have on hand or even leftover vegetables. We'll also add in 2 cloves of minced garlic and stir it for about 1 minute until it's fragrant. Now we'll add in a beaten egg. Allow it to set on the bottom of the pan so it can start to get a little golden brown on the underside. Then we'll use our spatula to carefully break up the egg to mix into the vegetables. Next up is the rice. I'm using some pre-cooked brown rice. You can use whatever leftover rice you may have, white rice, or even you could use quinoa or cauliflower rice. We'll also add in our seasonings. We're going to use soy sauce, and then to balance out the saltiness of the soy sauce, we're also going to use a little bit of honey. Give this a really good stir to incorporate all of the soy sauce and the honey into the eggs, vegetables, and rice. Looking really good. Now all we want to do is allow the bottom of the rice to get a little bit crispy. So after you've leveled out the rice into a single layer, allow it to sit there for a couple of minutes to get a little bit toasted on the underside. Then give it a stir and repeat. To serve with our fried rice, we're going to be using a fried egg. So I have a little saucepan right here. I'm just going to crack in 1 egg into a little bit of oil to allow it to fry up. The Indonesian fried rice is ready. I'm going to plate it up onto a serving plate. And I'm going to top it with our fried egg. Looks delicious. A quick and easy meal using up your leftovers and, of course, adding in lots of protein with those eggs. Please like and subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes, or click on the next video.